Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Amazon Music is a powerful app that lets you stream songs, download music, create playlists and discover new artists all in one place. In this guide I will show you step by step how to use Amazon Music and get the most out of it. So first thing, download and sign in. So install Amazon Music from App Store or Play Store, open the app, sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, create it. Okay, so explore the home screen. So once you are inside, browse recommended song. Okay, check trending playlist, discover new releases. The app suggests music based on your taste. Okay, you can search for music. Okay, tap the search icon, tap or type song, artist or album and tap the results. Okay, you can search anything instantly and then play music. So type any song. Okay, so tap any song for example and it starts playing, like for example like this. Okay, so use controls, so play, pause, skip. Okay, swipe up, full player view as you can see here. Okay, so premium users can skip freely. Okay, create a playlist, so you can tap library. Okay, select playlist, tap create playlist and add songs, so you can organize your favorite music there. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.